Good afternoon to all the students. Today we will complete exercise 8.3 in this video. Let's start from 8th question. I purchased a book of rupees 275 and with a loss of 15% I sold the book at what price I have sold this book. And then CP is given in this question and loss 15% is given. You have to find SP selling price of the book in this question. CP multiply by 100 minus loss percent upon 100. I will use this formula. CP means 275 multiply by 100 minus loss percent means 15% loss. 100 minus 15 upon 100. 100 minus 15 means 85. 275 multiply by 85 upon 100. I will cut this number in the table of 5. Then again 5, 11 and 4 here. Then I will multiply 85 multiply by 11 and divide by 4. I will get answer 233.75 paise. It means I have purchased the book with the money 275 and I have sold the book with 233 rupees 75 paise. It means I am getting loss. And how much loss? 15%. Let's move to next question. Next question में principal is given rupees 1200, rate of interest is 12% and time is given 3 years. You have to find in this question simple interest and amount. Let's find simple interest first with the help of formula P multiply by principal multiply by rate of interest multiply by time upon 100. Students, you have to learn all the formulas to understand this exercise clearly. So I will put principal means 1200, rate of interest 12, time 3 years upon 100. Then I will cut 2 zeros by 2 zeros and I will get 432. This is simple interest. Then I have to find amount. Amount का formula होता है principal plus SI. Principal plus simple interest. 1200 is principal plus simple interest is 432. दोनों को plus किया rupees 1632. That is my answer. Simple amount is 1632. Second part of this question, principal is given again, rate of interest given and time is given. And first we have to find simple interest with the formula P multiply by R multiply by T upon 100. 7500 is principal, rate of interest is 5% and time is 3 years upon 100. Then I will cut these 2 zeros with 2 zeros. After multiplying I will get rupees 1125. This is simple interest and I have to calculate amount in this question. Amount, the formula of amount is principal plus SI. Principal is 7500 plus 1125. Answer add करके rupees 8625 is the answer. That is the amount of this question. Third, now there are two parts of ninth question which we have done. Let's move to 10th question. Principal is given rupees 56,000. Simple interest is given rupees 280 and time is given 2 years. You have to find here in this question, you have to find the rate of interest. I will use the formula simple interest वाला formula use करूँगी P multiply by R multiply by T upon 100. जो values given है I will put all the values. Simple interest की जगह 280, principal में 56,000, rate of interest I don't know anything about rate of interest, time is 2 years upon 100. Then I will cut 2 zeros by 2 zeros. जो चीज़ यहाँ multiply में है वो यहाँ denominator में आ जाएगी. जो चीज़ यहाँ जो numbers यहाँ numerator में है वो denominator में आ जाएंगे. 280 is in the numerator and in denominator 560 multiply by 2. These both numbers will be in denominator. यहाँ आ जाएंगे. Then I will cut all these numbers. I will get rate of interest is equal to 2 to the 4 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. If I divide 1 by 4 I will get 0.25% because it is rate of interest. That's why I have to put percentage symbol here. So 1 by 4 means 0.25. Last question of this exercise is simple interest is given, rate of interest is given and time is given. And you have to find the principal. The same formula I will use. Simple interest is equal to P multiply by R multiply by T upon 100. P means 45. यहाँ पे simple interest means 45. P means that is not given in this question. R means 9% and time is 1 year upon 100. Then what will I do? जो denominator में है वो वहाँ जाके multiply हो जाएगा. 45 multiply by 100 4500 और जो 9 है वो numerator में है वो denominator में नीचे आ जाएगा. Then I will cut 9 1 500. It means value of principal is rupees 500. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day and complete this exercise, this chapter. Okay, thank you.